everyone. My name is Lilian, apo ni Lola. And I would like to say thank you for coming um, and joining us in Lola's wake. I'm just going to relive yung mga good memories with Lola. I remember nung bata pa ako, we always go to Tambungon. And then yung mama ko, she will buy yung tela. And then, because Lola is partahi si Lola. Lola is very good magtahi. So Lola will sew us dress, me and my sister. And then pagbalik namin sa payo, may bago na kaming dress na tinahi ni Lola. Also, we will spend mga months sa Tambungon. And I loved it. Kasi we were spoiled in Tambungon. Pag with Lola and Lolo, we always watch yung TV doon, swimming, and food. You know, I think we are the luckiest, yung mga apo ni Lola are the luckiest apo in the world. Kasi talagang my Lola is very generous and very thoughtful. You know, Lola has may list yan si Lola ng mga birthday ng each and every one of us. And then, 9 days before our birthday, she will magnovena siya for everyone. That's how thoughtful Lola is. So, I'm gonna miss Lola Mary so much. Even nung nanganak ako, even if I'm away. And then after ko manganak, nag-video call ako kay Lola and she was thinking about me. So, Lola, I'm gonna miss you so much. And I know you're going to heaven because she is the most religious person I know. She will go every day sa church if she can. And then very generous din siya sa church. She will give whatever she can, like whatever talaga, cash, donation. So, thank you, and I hope, like, you know, I know Lola will go to heaven. Thank you. Thank you.